Hidden in the historic Wisconsin dells, surrounded by lush greenery and picturesque scenery, is a fun-filled water park resort for the whole family. This is Sanctuary Lodge at Splash Canyon Timeshare Plan. As you're greeted by our friendly staff and peaceful surroundings, you'll then be welcomed by our contemporary accommodations. Our one-bedroom suite features an intimate living area, flat-screen TV, well-equipped kitchen, large comfortable king bed, and elegant bathroom with subway tiled shower. Our two-bedroom villa boasts a spacious dining area attached to the living space, fully equipped kitchen, and stainless steel appliances. The master bedroom opens to reveal a plush king bed, elegant bathroom accents, and tiled shower. And when it's time to play, just steps from your unit is your own private water park with indoor and outdoor water slides, outdoor pools, indoor and outdoor lazy rivers, hot tubs, and splash pads. Take a break from the fun at the Tiki Hut Bar and Grill with its tasty pizzas, wraps, burgers, and giant pretzels. Or for that quick thirst quencher, visit the Deep End Poolside Bar. Another favorite for the young and young at heart is the on-site game room, full of fun activities and prizes to boot. So whether it's the sun and slides you want, or just a little outdoor exploring in the historic Wisconsin dells, Sanctuary Lodge at Splash Canyon Timeshare Plan is a destination the whole family will enjoy.